Looking for a digital business account that works across borders? In this 2025 review, we'll break down the pros, cons, features, and what absolutely need to know about Statrys before signing up. Let's get right into it. What is Statrys? Statrys is a Hong Kong-based fintech offering multi-currency business accounts designed for startups, SMEs, and remote teams. Unlike traditional banks, everything's done online, from onboarding to account management. Key features. Here's what you get with a Statrys business account in 2025. Support for 11 major currencies in one account, local account numbers in Hong Kong and Europe, fast international transfers with competitive FX rates, virtual and physical MasterCard cards, zero integration for seamless accounting, and finally, dedicated account manager and no chatbots. Pros. Happy business owners, smooth dashboard navigation. For the pros, we have number one, easy international payments, which is great for global clients and suppliers, transparent pricing, no hidden fees, fast onboarding, typically within 3 to 5 business days, great customer support, real people, quick responses, no minimum deposit or monthly fees on the basic plan. Cons. But it is not perfect. Some downsides include no cash or check deposits, not a bank, funds are safeguarded but not insured like in traditional banks. Monthly fee applies if you choose premium plans. Only available to non-sanctioned jurisdictions. Some countries are excluded. But now, who is it best for? Statrys is ideal for businesses that operate internationally, e-commerce brands, freelancers, or startups needing FX and multiple currencies. But if you need to deposit physical cash or checks, this isn't for you. Final verdict. In 2025, Statrys remains a strong alternative to traditional banks for businesses going global, with multi-currency support, great customer service, and transparent pricing. It's definitely worth checking out. Please support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.